you guys doing? Thanks for our channel. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I got Potato here with us. We just came in the house, filming a day in my life video.
You do not see me eating. You do not see me eating.
I recorded a day in my life, which I'm gonna show you guys. But this video is basically our process at the dentist office. So what I did first, before I show you the clip, is I went to the dentist office that I was recommended from a different family that I know that's here. Went there, asked her about her prices, asked her, and she told me her price. I said okay, and basically I just scheduled an appointment. So today was our appointment. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. It's a small office. It's only one dentist office, doctor there, or a dentist there. So it's a really small place, but I think she did a good job. I got my teeth clean, Ava got her teeth clean, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good day, y'all. Y'all, so we are arriving now to our dentist office. And this is a nail salon up here, down here, and then the gym right up top. Potato. Ready? Alright, so right now we're in the lobby. This is like a small dentist office. So far they had me fill out some paperwork. Everything was expanded, so I just fill out what I could fill out. And that's really it. And then we wait, and our appointment is now to 2. So I got one at 2, Ava got one at 3. It doesn't really matter who goes first, cause yeah.
You're nervous? Oh, so good.
Right now she's doing a fluoride treatment for Ava. Is good? Was it easy? Did it hurt?
No.
So right now they about to clean the space, the chairs and everything, then replace everything, and then I'm gonna get my teeth clean, and then I'm gonna pay for it, tell you guys how much it was, and hope you guys enjoy. So I'm getting my one of my teeth. I have a cavity, so I'm getting one of them filled in right now. So I'll tell you the prices when I'm done, but I just wanted to tell you guys that.
Face. It's on your face.
So we just left the dentist office not too long ago. So for me and Ava to get our teeth clean, and for me to get a filling, because I have one cavity that I need to get filled in, it was 7,100 pesos. So let me know in the comments how much that is in dollars, because I can't think right now, but I used my debit card. I told her to charge me in pesos because it's just better, because if you don't know, if they charge you in dollars, what happens is your bank they'll charge you to convert it from pesos to dollars. So I always get them to just charge me in pesos, and that's it. But they do accept cash. You can just pay them in dollars or pesos. I just pay my card just to keep it simple. And that is really it. We about to go get some food. Ava, how was the dentist? Good. Let me see your teeth. Ooh, nice and clean. She ain't had no cavities. She never had no cavities, stuff like that. So hers was simple. But me, I'm the kind of person, if somebody tell me I gotta feel something or do anything, I'd rather do it right there. Like, I don't got time to be coming back. But I might get braces, because I wasn't braces for so long. My teeth is like, I got a lot of gaps on the side of my teeth. Well, on the side gaps. And she said for braces, just to do the first appointment to put the brackets on, it's $370.
Yeah. We've been walking forever.
Oh my goodness. These kids don't know nothing about no walking, no labor, nothing. But she said $370 US dollars to get braces for the first appointment to put them on. And that's cheap compared to like the States, where it's like $2,000 to $5,000. So yeah, I'm walking right now. Potato.